Hi, I'm Jennifer Jackson, and this is my ad design slide presentation for Communications 130, Lesson 14. My original ad is from Got Milk. Got Milk is an American advertising campaign created by Goodby, Silverstein and Partners for the California Milk Processor Board in 1993 to increase the consumption of milk. The campaign caught on, and the American dairy industry ran these ads for 20 years. My original ad features Lindsay Lohan, and the body copy says, I may be on the way up, but I still drink milk. About 15% of your height is added during your teens, and the calcium in milk can help. Who knows? Maybe one day you'll see your name in heights. Many ads in this campaign touted the advantages of drinking milk for different sports athletes or performers who teenagers and young people could really relate to. The campaign ads often were hung in lunchrooms at schools. This is my transition slide, and I used the logo to illustrate what we're going to talk about. So next we're going to talk about typography and alignment. The typography for the font that's used in the ad was created specifically for this campaign. It's a sans serif lowercase font, and the contrasting font is probably Geometric Sans. The alignment for most Got Milk ads is center aligned. However, this ad features a right justified alignment with the body text, the logo, and copyright information. Next, we'll talk about color and repetition. For repetition, the white is contrasted with a repetition of black in the model's belt, bracelets, and necklaces. Her hair also has some black undertones. For color, the most prominent color of the ad is the creamy white color of milk. It is repeated in the model's milk mustache, t-shirt, the type, and in the logo. The white is complemented by a faded blue background. My new ad can fit into this campaign. This is actually a picture of my daughter. Her name is Modesty, and she is a wrestler. So her body copy says, before I take down my opponent, I like to take down a tall glass of milk. I'm strong when I give my body the calcium it needs to help me win on the mat. You don't have to be a wrestler to know that drinking 3 glasses of milk a day is a winning choice. The typography used here is Phoenix American CG. It's a sans serif font, and it's the closest to the font developed for the Got Milk campaign. It's used in the logo for my ad. Alignment, all the text is left justified and aligned along the same vertical axis. Repetition, the creamy white color of milk is repeated in the milk mustache, the typeface, and in the wrestling shoes. The color, white, is complemented by the blue shirt, and it's contrasted by the black in the shoes and in the bracelet. For style, the message is delivered through the lens of a powerful teen girl who is achieving her dreams. Thank you.